This video will go over the different settings of your Shopify integration in RepairDesk. After you enable the Shopify integration, you can head to the page and modify the settings as necessary. On the Configuration tab, you'll see the Shopify store that your RepairDesk account is currently connected to. If you'd like to disconnect, you can click the button right next to it. The system will ask for confirmation before it makes the disconnection. Click Yes to proceed or No to go back. Underneath it, you'll see a list of all your RepairDesk stores and the Shopify locations that they are tied to. These Shopify locations are pulled directly from your Shopify account. If you click on one of the drop-downs, you should be able to see the Shopify locations and assign each one to the relevant store. Underneath that, we have the Trigger section. Here, you'll see a couple of options that allow you to automatically sync your online store, create an invoice in RepairDesk when an order is generated in Shopify, and automatically update the price, product description, and product image on your online store when they're updated in RepairDesk. You can click to enable or disable any of these. Finally, the last option that we have on this page is to import products from Shopify manually. Please note that when you do connect your Shopify store to RepairDesk, it'll start syncing and importing records automatically after the integration. However, records before the integration need to be imported manually. So once you do enable the integration, click on this button once to import all your records from Shopify into RepairDesk and sync them automatically. Now let's head over to the Category Syncing tab. On this page, we'll see a list of all available categories in RepairDesk that can be synced with Shopify. Select the categories you'd like to sync, and when you're done, click on Save and Sync. You'll get a confirmation message telling you that the sync was successful. If you check your Shopify store in a new tab, you should be able to see all the items imported from your RepairDesk store. Integrating Shopify with your RepairDesk account allows you to seamlessly sync records between Shopify and RepairDesk. And those were all the settings of the Shopify integration in RepairDesk.